watercress and salmon. Snack? Light meal?
Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Beautiful, delicious, super healthy. Hi! We start by cutting half an onion very, very thin. And we cut it very thin because it's going to be raw. But we're going to place it in water for 10 minutes so that it becomes crispier and it loses a little bit of that tartness. Add some rice vinegar, salt and pepper, and then my delicious ginger honey. After all of this is mixed, the end, I close with pistachio oil. You can add your favorite oil. Now we're going to add all of this to the bottom of a serving dish because we want it to be healthy, but also because it looks divine. It looks so beautiful, and check it out, you make it in minutes. To make your salmon flowers, what you do is you take each slice of salmon and bend it in half, lengthwise, so you have a longer piece, and then just turn it around your finger. As you take it off your finger, it's gonna kind of come off and separate, and that's it. It becomes a rose. Check it out. Try it. It's beautiful and delicious. Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.